Good morning, class. So, from today onwards, we are going to start your new one chapter, that is a atom and a molecule. Okay, so you are a little bit familiar with this word atom. Okay, so in the previous lesson and the previous chapters, we studied about the matter. Okay, and when we are discussing about the matter, we always say that this matter is actually made up of very small particles or a very tiny particles, that is called as atom. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to study about this atom and about the molecule. Okay, so let's start the topic. Now, what the topics we have to covered in this chapter except an atom and molecule, this is the basic thing which I will tell you. Okay, so the first thing is that law of chemical combination, ki how actually these elements atoms are combining to each other and what are the different laws. Okay, like we have to study about the law of conservation of mass, law of constant proportion and all. Then we will study about the atom, atomic mass, atomic symbol, molecules, compound. Okay, and atom, valency, radicals, chemical formula, molecular masses and formula masses, mass percentage and mole concept. ठीक है, so this chapter अगर मैं कहूँ तो it's little bit theoretical and there is more conceptual. ठीक है, numerical problems are also there. So for for making a good grip on this chapter, we have to see each and every topic very clearly, and we have to understand the concept behind that. Then only we will able to solve that. Okay, so today I am just going to discuss about the topic, the name of the topic, that is atom and molecule. So before starting the law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportion, I just remind you about the explanation of this two terms. One is a atom and a molecule. Okay, so let's start the today's class. So when we are talking about the atom, so as I told you earlier that in the first and the second chapter we always say that everything in the universe is made up of matter. Okay, so everything which is in the universe is made up of matter. Either it may be a solid, it may be a liquid, or it may be a gaseous. Okay, that that is just the state of matter, but this is the matter actually. Okay, and when we are talking about the matter, we always say this matter is actually made up of very small, very tiny particles. Okay, so these small and very tiny particles are actually called as a atom. Okay, so this is the atom. Okay, now what is atom? So you can say the smallest particle of any matter is known as atom. Okay, now अगर हम बात करें, so because you know that this atom is very small. Okay, so it cannot be imagined कि कितना हो सकता है. ठीक है, for example if I will say you that everybody have seen ant ना, कि छोटी सी चींटी कैसे छोटा सा फूड लेके जाती है. For example just suppose this is the ant. Fine, और ये क्या करेगी, छोटा सा sugar particle it is carrying with carrying with it. Okay, agar up now if you will see this small sugar particle in a microscope or in an electronic scope, you can see that small, very small sugar particle which is very small. Even that small particle is made up of so many different kind of atoms. Okay, so jo sugar particle, it was looking very small to us, but when we saw that from electronic microscope, we can see that this actually looking very small particle is also made up of very small particle. मतलब इतने small है कि we cannot see them from our normal eyes. Okay, or naked eyes we can't see them. So you can see that atom is actually a very small particle, and even that much small that we cannot imagine it, we cannot see from our normal eyes, we can't see from our naked eyes. Okay, so this is the atom. Okay, now when we are talking about the atom, this is very important that who coined this term. Okay, who used this term. Okay, so here in the right side you can see a picture of a very famous scientist, that is John Dalton. Okay, so this is the scientist John Dalton who actually introduced this term atom. Fine, so hope this is clear to you that atom is actually the smallest particle of the matter. ठीक है, although अभी आप पढ़ोगे कि actually जो atom है that is also made up of subatomic particle that is called as electron, proton and neutron. In the further chapter you are going to study about the structure of atom. ठीक है, so explanation बढ़ते रहेगा in the next chapter, और अच्छे से और डिटेल में you are going to study about this atom. ठीक है, तो for this time atom अब ये आपके लिए क्या है, this is the smallest particle of a matter. Now when we are talking about the another one term that is a molecule. Now what is a molecule? ठीक है, so molecule क्या है, what is atom and molecule, what is the difference in atom and molecule? Although there is a lot of differences, simple मोटे मोटे शब्दों में I'm just telling it to you. Molecule is made up of a atom. ठीक है, for example if I will say you just suppose that I have hydrogen. ठीक है, this is the one atom of hydrogen. Fine, this is the another one atom of hydrogen. When this hydrogen atom forming a bond between them and they are forming this H2, so this will be considered as a molecule. Molecule, it means you can separate the molecules into the atom, but atoms को you cannot separate. हाँ ठीक है, आप उसको atom को नहीं separate कर सकते, but molecule को you can separate. Molecule is made up of atom actually. Okay, so you can say that molecule is actually a group of atom. ठीक है, for example if I will say you this is the P4 molecule, this is the phosphorus. Fine, so this is the molecule. Fine, now this molecule you should know that this P4 molecule is actually made up of when 4 P atoms are forming bonds. Okay, so these are the atoms, we cannot divide this P, but if you will see this P4 we can make simpler P from P4. Fine, so you can see that this P4 will be considered as a molecule and this P will be considered as a atom. ठीक है, for example if I will take the molecule like S8, sulfur का 8 molecule. ठीक है, so that means this sulfur 8 molecule is made up of when 8 units of 8 atoms of sulfurs are forming bonds between them. Fine, so this is the molecule and this S will be considered as atom. Okay, so hope you will clear that what are atom are actually the very smallest particle of matter and molecule is a group of atom. Okay, so this is clear to you. Now we'll come to that another one. When we are talking about the atom and molecules, so molecules को we will furtherly divide. ठीक है, atom तो you know that we cannot separate atoms. ठीक है, so molecules को how we are separating it already second chapter में आपने पढ़ा है, that is element, compound and a mixture. Fine, now when we are talking about the element it means that which have same kind of atom. Fine, ठीक है, for example if I will say you just suppose if I will say you hydrogen. Fine, hydrogen में अगर मैंने कहा तो that means every hydrogen has only the same kind of atom, that is H. Fine, if I will say you oxygen it means that is oxygen plus oxygen, O plus O. Fine, so that means the same kind of atom, one is O, another one is also O. ठीक है, same hydrogen is H, here it is H, though it means same kind of atoms are there. So element it means कि when there is a same kind of atoms are there, so we are considering them as a element. Fine, okay, now when we are talking about the compound it may be possible that when two and more than two elements are combining to each other in a fixed ratio should be fixed. Okay? Otherwise it will be considered as a mixture. So if the ratio is fixed and different elements are there, then we will consider it as a compound. For example if I will say you H2O. Fine, here you see that this hydrogen is made up of H and H and यहाँ पे क्या है O है. ठीक है, तो two different elements are there, तो it will be considered as a compound, but its ratios are fixed. जैसे कि आपको पता है the ratio will be always 1:8 when we are talking about bottom. Fine, so element it means when there are same kind of atoms. Compound it means when two or more than two elements are combining in a fixed ratio, then it forms compound. Okay, and mixture is that means कि anything we are combining but there is no any fixed ratio. What कोई generalized form नहीं होता है कि इतना ही होना चाहिए. It can be anything. It can be it can be vary to individual, person to person. Okay, so Now let's see what is a element. Element, it means element is a molecule. Element is a molecule made up of same kind of atom. Example, it might be hydrogen, chlorine, oxygen, sulfur, whatever you want to take it, but it should be same atom. Fine. Next is a compound. Compound, as I already told you, compound kya hai? Is a molecule which contain different types of atom. ठीक है, like example you can see this is H2O, two different atom, hydrogen and oxygen are combining in a fixed ratio and it forms a compound. Okay, now the third इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, जो आपने मिक्सचर कहा है, मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया है, मिक्सचर इज दैट क्या है कि व्हेन टू एंड मोर देन टू एलिमेंट्स आर कंबाइनिंग इन ईच अदर इन एनी रेशियो इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, कुछ भी हो सकता है, ठीक है, एंड देयर फॉर्म्स अ मिक्सचर, ठीक है. तो इट माइट बी जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल मैं यहाँ पे कहूँ कि आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू मेक अ लेमोनेड, ठीक है. सो लेमोनेड में हो सकता है इट माइट बी somebody likes more sweet, somebody like less sweet, somebody like more lemon syrup, somebody want less lemon syrup. It can be dependent individual to individual, so there is no any fixed proportion, ठीक है. और फिर they are not mixing chemically, they are just physically combined. Okay, so this is the mixture. Okay, so what you have to do today, you have to write the definition of the atom and the molecule in the left hand side, and you have to draw this flow chart in your copy. ठीक है, this is which I shown in you in this video, this element, compound and mixture, and then you have to write what are elements, what are compound and what are mixture from with the help of this video. ठीक है, you can take the screenshot and then you can write it. Fine. So in the next class we will study about the law of conservation of mass and other laws.